I'll shoot a little video here of my new camera I've been playing around with this afternoon. It's the Canon SX730 HS 40x optical zoom, and let me tell you, I really like it. I put it on this little GoPro little handle thing here, and believe it or not, it makes it a whole lot more stable when I'm trying to shoot with the zoomed out. I've been playing with it, but if you hold it in your hand, you just shake too much. But this way, if I use this and hold it with use my other hand to zoom and all, and so I kind of got two hands on it, it works really good to hold it stable. So this is one of my new toys for the arsenal. So check out the video I'm going to show here at the end of this little thing of some shots I took outside this evening before it got dark and all. So anyway, I like it. It's another nice one to add to my arsenal. It's just kind of cool looking. It's really cool looking. That sky. More sky shots here. That's blue skies from now on.
So far away, I'm a bad dream that I just had today. And you shake your head, said it's a shame. Spin me back down the years and the days of my youth. Draw the lace and black curtains and shut out the whole truth. Spin me down the long ages, let them sing the song.